Hey there, it's Lori Jean, and I'm going to do a really quick review on the Uahpet Cat Water Fountain. Now, what we love about this water fountain, it is battery operated. Right now we've got it charged. You can see it's flashing blue. That means it's charging. Now, if it were flashing red, you would know that it would be time to charge it. So we love that. So I'm going to take it off the charger right now. Put this right here. What's also great about this is you can have two levels of operation. So right there, we have that as continuous run. That means it'll keep flowing, the water will keep coming out. So that's going to drain the battery much quicker. You also can go wireless, which means that the only way this turns on, the fountain turns on, is if your pet activates it. So that saves your battery life quite a bit. We typically have to charge this about twice a month, which is excellent. So I'm going to turn it off here so you can see the insides of it. Okay, so this is your battery pack. You just give it a good tug to pull it out. And as you can see, this part of it goes actually in the water reservoir. Has a nice little filter at the end. So that is filtering the water coming up. And so you can remove that very easily. The next thing is we remove this part here. I'm going to dump that. Oops. And here is the secondary filter that once the cat drinks, the water flows through into the reservoir to get sucked up again for reuse. So these get changed out probably once a month is what we seem to be doing, and it's very easy to do, and I've made a video on how to do that, but it's simply just replacing these two filters after you soak them for about 15 minutes. This all comes apart, and what is wonderful about this, boop, there we go, all three of these parts can be thrown into the dishwasher, which is great. So reassembling this is a little bit trickier only because you have to make sure that you line this up correctly. You've got to make sure that these line up. You might have to do a little bit of adjustment like I'm doing right now to get them lined up properly. Yeah, that's snug. Okay. So, to put this back on, this feeds into the water reservoir to draw the water up, and you have to simultaneously feed this into the slot here. So you get that in there, you push it down, and you are ready to go. So we really love this. Our cats really love this. We've tried other brands and they seem to fizzle out very quickly. This one has lasted us for probably close to a year now, and it's still growing strong, really easy maintenance, and our cats love it, we love it, and I think you'll love it too.